Good morning to you guys. It's Thursday. Just wanted to come in and give a few words. I missed out on yesterday, but I hope you guys had a great day. And we're past hump day, so guess what? That means you should be halfway towards some type of goals you made at the start of the week. This week has been very, very good, and the reason why I'm referring to this week is because today is Thursday, and once I'm off today, I am off. I've worked 10 days straight, and I can definitely tell in my attitude, but that's okay. I'm going to do some type of attitude adjustment to make it through half day today and get some rest and catch up on some things. But anyway, what plans do you have for the weekend? I know the weekend starts officially tomorrow, but we need to go ahead and prepare ourselves for what we're going to do, how we're going to stick to the weekend. You guys know that it's really hard on the weekend. I mean, we have our loved ones, kids, everything, functions that allow us to kind of like deter from our plan. So what you want to do, I suggest anyway, it works for me, you want to kind of like, you can't really pre-plan outings, but you can take control by portion controlling, being really selective. Like, instead of getting 8 wings, get 4 wings. Instead of eating all the fries, eat half of the fries. I mean, I know this is not practicing healthy eating, but this is practicing being honest with yourself, because don't tell yourself you're not going to eat anything healthy anymore or any of that, because that's not really true. I mean, some people may live like that for a while, but I don't feel like depriving yourself is a lifestyle. But to get to the goals you want, sometimes you do have to stay strict in into what you're trying to do. So that's why I believe in a balance to things. Like, maybe that one meal you eat a healthy breakfast, a healthy lunch, but if you're going out, make that one meal, you know, be selective about it. And I think that will help you balance out things a whole lot more. Also with the water, try to still make your water goals like you set up during the week. Sometimes we shoot for a gallon or 100 ounces, but at least get your 8 cups or more in, then you're still to the good as far with salt, flushing that salt and everything, so that you still won't feel as bloated when it comes Monday. Because, you know, Monday we always trying to regroup, get myself back together. Let's just try to keep a balance through the weekend. I ain't saying be picture perfect, but be balanced, and then that way you won't have no regrets come Monday, and then we'll just pick up where we started from. So just wanted to come in and give some early weekend tips, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to get back on between today and Sunday, but I want to wish you guys a happy day and a good weekend. If I don't, I'm going to work on some tips and some things. Let me know what you want to hear, let me know what you want to see, and then I'll try to get those to you. Hope you guys have a fabulous Thirsty Thursday. We are still going for the gallon today, so get that gallon in, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye.